right, home bakers. Today I'm going to show you how to make super fun and easy cake pops at home. These little treats are perfect for parties, holidays, and any other special event or occasion. Let's dive right in. First things first, grab yourself a pre-baked cake. It can be any flavor you love. Now crumble that cake into fine crumbs. You can use your hands or a fork. Just make sure there are no big chunks. Next, add about a cup of frosting to your cake crumbs. Mix it all together until it's well combined and you've got a dough-like consistency. Now, roll this mixture into small balls. A tablespoon-sized scoop works great for this. Place your cake balls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Pop those beauties in the fridge for about 15-20 minutes to firm up. While they're chilling, let's prepare the fun part, decorating. Melt some chocolate or candy melts in the microwave. Use 30-second intervals and stir in between to avoid burning. Once your cake balls are chilled, dip the tip of a lollipop stick into the melted chocolate and then stick it halfway into a cake ball. This helps to secure the stick. Repeat for all your cake pops. Now, dip each cake pop into the melted chocolate, covering it completely. Gently tap off any excess. Before the chocolate sets, sprinkle some colorful sprinkles or drizzle a contrasting chocolate over the top. Get creative here. This is your time to shine. Stand your decorated cake pops upright in a styrofoam block or a cake pop stand to let them set completely. And there you have it. Adorable, delicious cake pops that are sure to impress. Enjoy your homemade treats and happy baking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun baking recipes. See you next time.